How to connect Honor Pad 10 to keyboard. So there are a few ways for you to connect it. First, if the keyboard's power switch or the tablet's Bluetooth is not turned on, it will prevent a proper connection. So the first thing you can do is to turn on your keyboard. So check whether the Bluetooth keyboard is turned on. If it's off, turn it on before connecting to the tablet. And then pull down the tablet status bar or go to the tablet settings app to find Bluetooth and ensure that Bluetooth is enabled. After that, check whether the Bluetooth keyboard is in discoverable mode or not connected status. The Bluetooth keyboard cannot be used unless it's connected. The pairing procedure is as follows. So insert the tablet back into the slot and check whether the caps lock indicator light is functioning correctly and whether a pairing pop-up appears. If you have manually dismissed the pop-up before to avoid disruption, the pairing pop-up will not appear when you detach and reattach the keyboard. In this case, it is recommended to turn off the screen and wait for 10 seconds and then turn the screen back on and reinsert the tablet into the slot. Now ensure the keyboard is sufficiently charged. If the Bluetooth keyboard battery is depleted, change the keyboard for a while first before attempting to pair it again. And then go ahead and start trying to connect it. And that is how to connect your Honor Pad 10 keyboard.